What's up, guys? It's Polar Fox, and today I'm not playing a game like I usually would. Today I actually want to teach you guys how to download Ring of Elysium from Garena. It's not released yet, and it's not in like other countries. It's only released in Thailand and I think somewhere else. And it's a really fun battle royale game. And I really want to teach other people how to get it because there's not any like solid videos how to do it, or just like tutorials or information about it on Google, and I really want to get it out there. I think it's really fun. So today I'm just gonna try to help people who want to play the game figure out how to download it, play it, make sure it's in English, and all that good stuff. So let's not waste any more time here. So the first thing you need to do is go to Garena.com account, right? So it's not hard. Register a new account. You're going to make a username, all that stuff, the password. Doesn't matter what area you put yourself from. So this part, just make an account like you normally would, right? So then you want to download the client. All right. So from here, you want to sign in to your account. You want to log in. So this is the only game I have on here. It's Ring of Elysium. As you can see, it's all in a different language because it's not, released in the U.S. or like in America. I'm from the United States, so that's why I keep referring to the United States. But so what you want to do is you just want to download the game, right? So you're gonna want to go. Oh, let me not forget. You're gonna when you first make it, it's gonna have your region in, and there's gonna be no games, right? So it's gonna say, do you want to change your region? And you could say yeah, and it's gonna automatically do it. But Ring of Elysium won't come up. So what you want to do is go. You want to be at the main screen, settings. So then here, what you want to do is change your region to Thailand. All right. It's gonna say your IP is wherever you're located. Mine's the United States. It's where I'm located. You could keep your language in whatever language you speak in. I'm guessing for most of you watching, it's gonna be English since I'm speaking English. And you're gonna want to save that. Now, Ring of Elysium should come up, right? It should be on the top right here. Beforehand, you might have saw like League of Legends, FIFA. So this will finally be here. You want to click on that and then download that. Okay, it's only like almost 5 gigs, so it's not that hard. Instead, it won't take that long. So from there, you want to then go to your Garena shortcut. Okay, and you're gonna want to, where is it? Open file location. If it doesn't bring you to your program files x86 Garena, then you just want to search that up yourself. Go through the files, and then from there you're going to want to create a new shortcut, right? Which I have here now. And you want to go to its properties. From there, it won't say this dash toggleapp 32838. It'll just say it'll say up to the Garena .exe. So then you're going to space dash toggle app 32838. Okay, then from there you just want to apply, save it. So what that does is it makes it so you don't have to play this game without a VPN to fake your location. It'll automatically play in the Thailand servers, so you're good to go. You don't need to do any of that stuff. From there, the game should work. You should be able to play it, but it's going to be not in English. So what you want to do is you're going to need to download. Where is it? Process Hacker. Okay. With Process Hacker, you can then get this information you need that you can't get otherwise. So then what you're going to want to do is actually you're going to want to load the game up. Okay. You just want to go here. You're going to want to press play after you download it and do all the updates and such. So now that the game's up, what you want to do is then tab out. Right, and I'm actually going to turn the sound down first so you don't have to hear it. Volume mixer. Okay. What you're going to want to do is go to Process Hacker, and from there you want to scroll down, and you'll be seeing Europa Client.exe. From there you want to go to its properties, and then on this little icon right here on the command line, you want to press the magnifying glass. So you're going to want to copy all of this. Then close out, and then close out of this. You don't need that anymore. So from there, what you want to do is make a text document. You can name it whatever you want. I just named ROE English. Obviously, I already have one that you're gonna eventually turn into a .bat, but I'll just do two. So then from here, you're gonna want to enter. Go here, do @echo off, and go back to where you entered from, and then paste it. Right? So you're gonna have this information now. The next thing you're gonna want to do is go to language. Okay, it's gonna say TH, that's for Thailand, right? So you're just gonna delete that, change it to EN, right? And that's all you need to do. So then you're gonna want to save as, and then you're gonna want to do BAT as a BAT file. You're gonna save. Okay, so now that you saved it as a BAT file, it should look something like this. I already have this one, so I don't really need it. Let's delete that. Delete this. Now you should have something like this. So now what you want to do, you can either go through Process Hacker or the game. You're just going to want to close out of everything. So you just want to terminate it, or you can just go to the top part of the game and exit out. So now let's close. Now you want to run the game off of this BAT file that we made. Alright guys, so once the game's up, that's it, you're done. The game's in English, you're ready to play, and that's all. So if you guys liked the video, please like the video. So like, comment, subscribe, especially comment if you guys had any troubles. Please leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If there's like a big issue people are having, maybe I'll be making another video about it. But you guys should be ready to go and ready to start playing. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate everyone. And I'll see you in the next one.